Today we are going to introduce WSME200 AC/DC TIG MMA pulse welder. In MMA mode, there is nothing else can be adjusted but only current. Now we switch it into the TIG mode. Please set the pre-flow according to your need, and then set the hot start for the easier arc start. Now we select the arc start current with the direction buttons, and set the current with the amps that you need to start. Please set the slope up to the proper time according to your need. The arc start current will transfer to welding current through the slope up time gradually. Otherwise, please set it to 0 if there is no need. Now it's switched to welding current settings. For the slope down settings, please set the proper time as well. Then the welding current will transfer to arc ending current through the time you set. Please remember to set it 0 if there is no need for it. For complete normal welding workflow, it usually consists of pre-flow, arc start, slope up, welding slope down, arc ending, post gas. Where when you select the 40 mode, it means when click on the torch, it will start arc. After releasing the torch, it will transfer to normal welding. When you click on the torch again, it will start the arc ending, and it will stop and finish the work with releasing the torch again. Let's take aluminum welding for example. We may set the arc start current with 150 amps and set the welding current with 100 amps. And set the slope up with 2 seconds. Then in the tuning mode, when you click on the torch, the current will transfer from arc start 150 amps to welding 100 amps in 2 seconds only. And if we set the slope down with 2 seconds and arc ending with 5 amps, then when we release the torch, it will gradually transfer to arc ending and stop finally after the post gas time. If we select the repeat function, then after we click on the torch, it will work same as 2D mode workflow. But after we release the torch, it will repeat the same workflow after it stops the work. The last mode is the sport welding. The only difference is there is a sport welding time you can set. The welding work will stop in 2 seconds if we set the time to 2 seconds. Now we will set the parameters to show you the repeat mode. Now it's showing the arc start current with clicking on the torch. Then it's showing the welding current by releasing. Now it's the arc ending current by clicking the torch again. And it's showing the welding current again by releasing the torch. It will repeat the workflow again and again. And please just remove the torch once you have finished the job.